YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, Chico User, back with another video. And today, as you can see, and from the title, you got the Air Jordan 8 Retro SC. Open the box for you guys. Matter of fact, I gotta show you guys the detail up close. Japanese, number 8. If you guys don't know about him, he's a Japanese player. He's 24. Plays for the Washington Wizards. 6'8", he's pretty tall, and in 2019, he was a first-round draft pick number 9. So pretty cool. Got these in a size 14. So you can see, suggested retail $225. And a Twine / Gem Red, Black Sesame colorway. Open the box. Inside lid. We have the tissue paper. Look like it's dunking on a few folks. They're trying to stop him. Same thing as the lid. Tissue paper, and this Jordan Air. Then we have another tissue paper, other side, same thing. And bam, here we go, guys. Here are the shoes. Extra pair of laces. I'll take them out for you guys and show you guys what we're working. Okay guys, and as you can see, here are the shoes. Here's one. Lots of detail, 23. Bottom. Inside, let's put this one shoe down and show you guys up close detail with the other shoe. Okay guys, here's the other shoe. Close. See, you have a pattern right here on the tongue. Japanese writing in this nice gem red and carpet material. We have the 23 right there in the 10. Nice material. Coming to this side. We have some type of design right here. Perforated right here, same material on the toe box, right here. The design that was on the tongue. Another design, like I said, the shoe's full of details. Coming to the back. See, big pull tab and a gem red tongue. Japanese writing. See if you guys can see it. There, you guys can see. Same thing on this side with the laces coming to the bottom. Black, gem red, and tan. Over the design. Yeah, guys, let me know down below. Did you guys get a chance to cop these? Keeping them or reselling them. Show you guys the laces. Nothing special on the tips. Inside. see, we got some type of design in there. City shoe tree. And this is what the inside looks like. Look, you got a basketball in there. Size 14. A lot of detail, guys. Jumpman. But yeah, guys, like I said, let me know down below what you guys caught. Got these from Sneakers. Yeah. We're selling these going pretty good. See, upwards of like 350 is the highest. Like 280, 290 is about the average. But yeah, guys, you know, quick little vid. Until next time.